we will proceed to learn the difference between the variable, let, and constant. Okay, I make there some notes about them, if we can declare them, if we can access before declare, and if we will also learn the variable scope grammar. Okay, let's start together. Okay, this is our index.js. As I said, I make some notes to see more and more difference between them. Okay, we can note that on ECMAScript text. Okay, we have two new keywords. Okay, now if you want, we can start our execution there. We'll declare a variable x equal to 10, for example. We will console log, or we will console the x to see the result on the console. Okay, the result is there. We have x, which is the result. Okay, if you want to access to create to redeclare the variable x equal to 20, for example, save and see it's executed successfully, and then we can redeclare the x several times. Okay. Now, if you want, we can use use the let if you want, like this. Okay, let x equal to 10. Then, if we use the let identifier x has already been declared. Okay, we can't redeclare the let. Okay, we use the const, save and see, same error, has already declared. Okay. Now, if you want, we can mention those results. Okay. Now we will go to the var, redeclare, which is yes. For the let, we declare no, like this. And for the const also redeclare no. Okay. If you want, we can now test the access before declare. If you want to access to the variable x before initialization, okay, save and see together. The result there on the console is undefined. Okay, like this. Okay, if you want to test the let now we have an error cannot access x before initialization. Okay, now we can test the const. 7c, same error, cannot access x before initialization. Okay, now we can make there for the variable access before declare is undefined. We cannot know the error. For the let access before declare, we have an error. Also for the constant, we have an error. Okay, good job. Now we will test together what has been variable scope drama. It's so simple. Okay, now if you want, we can declare a variable a equal to, for example, 80. Okay, now we can execute using the window on the console window, and then we open the document like this. Okay, we have the a equal to 80 is located on the window. We can also access using window.a like this. Good. And also directly a executed equals to 80. Okay, good job. If you want, we can test now the let. Execute using the window. Press enter. Okay, open the document there. We haven't the a. Okay, good job. If you want to access using the window.a, window.a like this, and defined. If you want to access directly a, we have the 80 successful execute. If you want to now to execute or to test the const, we will execute on the console our window like this, press enter and open the document. Okay, same as the let, we haven't the a there. We can execute the window.a, also undefined. And if we execute directly the A, we have the result. Okay. Now, if you want, we can note that uh, if you use the variable, okay, the variable is added directly out to the window. So if we use the let, the variable is not added to the window. Okay. Also for the const, the variable is not added to the window. We can mention that if we have many variables, it can cause problems. It can make the browser saturated, or can make the application more slow. Thank you. Okay, don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you next video.